Honestly, there are hundreds of ways. When you look online, you will find legit sources, along with many scams. I recommend you stay away from programs that ask you to make the initial investment to start using their money-making formula. Here, I'm sharing how to earn money online, which is easy to use and legit at the same time. Few of them will require you to have certain skills like good communication, good writing abilities, etc. 1. Ibotta, a widely advertised app offering passive income opportunities. Simply install it on your phone and earn cash back on everyday purchases. While it's a convenient way to save money and occasionally find discounts, it's not as immediate for making money compared to other options on this list. Many users report savings and earnings, with examples like $278 in a year or $23 last month. Ibotta allows quick withdrawals within 24 hours, but its effectiveness depends on prior installation. Thus, while it's a useful tool for saving, it may not suit those seeking immediate income, given its passive nature and potential for savings. 2. TaskRabbit. The next one on the list is TaskRabbit, one of my personal favorites for making money immediately. TaskRabbit offers the potential to earn over $100,000 a year, as I've experienced firsthand. For example, when I last moved, I hired someone through TaskRabbit for $35 an hour plus tips, gas money, and lunch, saving me significant costs compared to traditional moving companies. Many users echo my positive experience, with reports of substantial earnings. One user shared making $109,000 in a year offering services like moving, heavy lifting, and furniture assembly, charging $64, $65, and $55 respectively. TaskRabbit allows for a variety of tasks, providing opportunities for lucrative earnings. It's possible to start earning immediately, potentially turning it into a full-time job or even launching your own business. However, it requires physical labor, so it may not be suitable for everyone. 3. GigWalk. It sounds like you've had your fair share of frustrating experiences trying to make money online, but it's great that you've found some methods that actually work. Your idea of creating a database of reliable online money-making opportunities sounds like a valuable resource. Analyzing data from self-reporting websites to provide insights into which apps and platforms yield real earnings within 24 hours could be incredibly helpful for others in similar situations. It's ambitious but worthwhile, especially if it helps people avoid the pitfalls of scams and ineffective methods. If you decide to pursue this project, I'm sure many would find it beneficial. 4. CrowdTap. CrowdApp is a platform where you can earn money by participating in focus groups, paid surveys, and product testing. Members receive rewards for providing valuable feedback on various brands. There's ample evidence online of people actually making money and receiving payouts, often in the form of gift cards. For example, a Reddit user earned $854 in a month by completing these tasks. While it's not a full-time income source, it's a reliable way to earn extra cash. Unlike some platforms promoted on YouTube, CrowdApp is known for its legitimacy and prompt payments. Sharing this information helps support creators like me who strive to provide accurate and helpful content without a big marketing budget. So, if you find this helpful, sharing it with others would be greatly appreciated. 5. Course Hero. Basically, what this is a micro-tutoring site. So, if you're somebody who's already tutoring, like you're in college for instance, this might be one for you to look into. Essentially, what you do is you are going to be answering questions that people have about their homework assignments. This is especially good if you are good at a subject that a lot of people are bad at. For instance, let's say you're really good at organic chemistry. People post organic chemistry questions in there, and you're able to answer those for them. You would get points, and you can redeem those points for money. Now, this used to be especially good a few years ago, and it can still be good with certain subjects, but there's a big problem with this, and that is people from the Philippines and India can answer these questions just as well as people from the United States or a first-world English-speaking country. But because of their lower cost of living, they can do it much more affordably. So, if you're somebody watching this from the Philippines, India, etc., and you speak really good English, this could be a good option for you. But unfortunately, from the United States, it's not nearly as good of an option unless you're doing it with very specific subjects. 6. Survey Savvy. Survey Savvy stands out as a reliable platform where individuals can earn money by participating in online surveys. Users have shared their success stories online, confirming the platform's legitimacy. While some users claim to make approximately $10 to $15 per hour by selecting the right surveys, most participants tend to earn slightly less. Nevertheless, Survey Savvy serves as a practical means of earning extra cash during one's free time. For instance, individuals can maximize their waiting time, such as during a visit to the DMV, by completing surveys and increasing their earnings. Overall, Survey Savvy presents itself as a decent option for those looking to supplement their income. By leveraging Survey Savvy, individuals can tap into a reliable source of supplementary income, contributing to their financial stability and providing flexibility in managing their finances. 7. Snapwire. This is going to be for amateur as well as professional photographers. So, this is where you can put your photos up on the internet, people can buy those photos, and use them in either paid products or maybe like social media content. And you might be thinking that you have to be a super pro in order to get people to buy your photos, but actually a lot of the time more of the amateur look is what people are going for. And the reason for that is because a lot of the time it's going to be more relatable, and a lot of the time companies will post contests on Snapwire. Let's say they want some like amateur type photography or videography of somebody who is kind of like walking through the park with their significant other. You can put that on Snapwire, they might post a contest on there, and if you win, you'll get paid even more. So yeah, this is a great way for you to get paid to do something that you probably already love to do if you like taking photos like so many people out there do. And yes, you can get paid out within 24 hours. 8. Freelancing websites. Freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, Guru, and Upwork offer a valuable marketplace where freelancers can connect with potential clients. These platforms enable users to showcase their skills and services, along with pricing structures tailored to various levels of difficulty and complexity. Acting as intermediaries, these websites facilitate transactions between sellers and buyers, ensuring a secure and reliable online work environment. When an agreement is reached between parties, the platform deducts its commission from the total order amount as compensation for providing the platform services. This commission serves to maintain the integrity of the marketplace, covering administrative costs and implementing measures to safeguard both freelancers and clients. Overall, freelancing platforms play a pivotal role in fostering collaboration and facilitating mutually beneficial engagements within the freelance community, contributing to the growth of the gig economy on a global scale. Thanks for watching our guide on 8 websites for easy money. If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Stay tuned for more tips to make money.